Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I still have on the same head wrap, same gauges, same shirt, because I filmed 2 videos in one day and they're going to get dropped on the same day. I'm trying to do better with the videos, trying to come out with more stuff. So today we're going to be doing an oil change on the SS Camaro. So that's enough talking, let's get to it. Alright guys, we got the car jacked up. I didn't show you guys that, so just make sure you got something behind the tires and, you know, make sure it's stable. First thing I'm going to do is take this off to make the airflow a little bit easier. And now I'm going to set the camera up under the car so we can drain the oil. Alright guys, this is going to be a 15 right here for the oil. As you can see, I cracked it loose off camera already, so we're going to let the oil drain. It's probably going to be pretty hot since the car is recently just came to me. So yeah, that's pretty hot. So we're going to let that drain, and then we're going to move on to the oil filter and reverse the process. If you're new to oil changes, it's pretty simple, and if you're not, you may be just watching this because it's a Camaro. So yeah, we're gonna let that drain, and I'll come back when that's done to get the oil filter.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, that's drained out pretty good, so I'm going to tighten that back down, make sure it's snug, and we're going to move on to the oil filter. Don't over tighten it to where you strip something. People that do that are idiots, just my opinion.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Alright guys, we got the oil filter loose. We're going to let that drain, and then we're going to pull that out and grab the new one. And we're going to put some new oil in the oil filter before we put it on. God, that's hot. Fuck. Alright guys, I'm going to slowly pour some oil into the oil. There we go. I don't want to put too much, but I'll call that enough. So now it's going to be time to screw this back in. I'll get back to you guys when it's done. Alright guys, we got the bottom half of the oil change done. We have the oil pan plug in, and we have the oil filter in. So now it's just time to add the oil and drop the car. Alright guys, it's time to add the oil to the engine.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, man, that's it for the oil change. Pretty straightforward. I'm not going to drag the video out, but I would appreciate for all you guys that's not subscribed. I think it's like 98, 90 something percent that's not subscribed. So if you guys like the video, please subscribe. Check out my other videos. Catch me in the next one. Peace.